guys, what's up? Right now I think I'm just going to clean my room because it's a little bit
embarrassing
how messy it is. As you can see, my room is
a hot mess.
Okay, so I just got my Honest Kids Berry Lemonade. I think my family and I are just gonna spend time together because that's what we normally do every night. Okay, so I just got some water. Drinking water is something I've been trying to do a lot more because I literally drink no water during the whole day. Now I'm just going to go upstairs and get ready for bed. Okay, by the way, I have these two red spots and I have no idea what they are. They're like some kind of reaction, even though I use the exact same products as I do every day. That's a little bit of an issue. Okay, so now I'm just doing a quick check of YouTube analytics because I like to do them periodically throughout the day. Now that I'm done looking at those analytics, I'm just going to check everything on my phone, like on Instagram, and just text that I may have missed and maybe watch like a YouTube video or a part of a YouTube video. I'm literally dying because I would never like wear this to bed. For the purposes of this video, I'm wearing this giant sweatshirt. Right now it is 11:36. So now I think I'm just going to read a book. I'm really trying to start reading on a nightly basis again.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah. No friends of mine.
Good morning, everyone. I set my alarm for 7:45 and right now it's 7:51. I have this app and it's called Alarmy. It like makes you get up by you solving math problems. Now it's 7:55, 7:54. I'm gonna go get ready for the day. Literally every single time I film like a skincare routine, there's always comments that are like telling me that I should watch Skincare by Hiram. But here's the thing, like I watch that man religiously. I tried Cetaphil, right, like a couple months ago and I broke out so bad. I just like stick with what works. Like my skin's pretty clear now. I'm still so tired, kind of dying. So I really actually like making whipped coffee, even though I don't drink coffee, but I find it so fun to like see it get all fluffy and stuff. So I like to make it for my family members. I'm pretty sure everyone uses the exact same recipe, but I'll show you mine anyway. Freaking mailman just walked by. I hate when the mailman comes by and he normally comes at like 3 in the afternoon, so that scared me. Anyway, so for one serving, I normally do 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. So when I first made this, I thought it was gonna take literally forever for it to mix up, but it takes like 20 seconds.
We don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generation.
And then I just spoon the whipped topping into the milk. Okay, so here is the finished coffee. Obviously, I'm not gonna drink it because it's for my mom. Okay, so it is now 9:34. So my first class starts in 1 hour. It starts at 10:30. So now I'm just going to get dressed for that. The fit is not cute, but it's comfortable. Right now it's 9:41. I have a while until I have to be in class, so I'm just gonna check like the portal. So there's 2 separate things. There's the journal club and then there's like the big lecture. My journal club is at 10:30 every day and then the lecture is at 12. I don't know how much I'm gonna film during class. I know I said I would talk to you in between, but we ended our journal club 3 minutes late, so. Does anyone else get really paranoid that their mic is on, even though my mic is off?
myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it.
I just finished the lecture, so now it's 1:29. We finished a little tiny bit early. Oh, also, I was literally like eating my lunch and then I spilt it on my chair, so now I'm sitting in a different chair and my mom had to come clean that one up when I was in the middle of my lesson. I literally fell asleep in my living room as I was studying Chinese. It's a little bit later than I wanted to get started on these things, but that's fine.
Yeah, go back to June blues. Yeah, it's just the June blues.
So I have my juice. I just like to come out here and either read or do my homework, and today I got so much homework.
Break it. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's peeking, now it's
cause us to stop at work. You asked me about that.
I think it was a B. I need to work on a project for my journal club. And to do that, I have to watch like a lot of videos and take notes on them. I literally just watched an ant jump off my roof.
be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon'
Oh my god, I was filming that whole time. Literally, anytime I hear any noise, I freak out because I think it's the mailman, and I have a weird setup here. Like, that would be so awkward if he just walked up to my front door and saw me. Oh my god. But then I remember that he already came. It's already 7 o'clock at night, which is, ugh.
It's 7 o'clock.
why it's getting colder when the sun comes out. I just waste away, don't know what life about.
First, I decided to do MadFit's 20-minute full body workout with no equipment.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so.
And then I found this really good stretching routine a couple days ago by Olivia Dongerea. So if you're intermediate to advanced in your flexibility, I would definitely recommend trying this one.
Around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice.